Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to draw a request from this person right here, a request to draw Doctor Strange. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share with another Doctor Strange fan. All of that is really appreciated. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a little shape like this, and then have a bottom part to it, and then we can do a circle on the inside, another little circle on the inside, and then in the middle I'm going to color that dark, just a little circle on the inside. And then I'm going to do a little eyebrow up top. And down below a little bit, I'm going to do a little nose shape. And now we're going to do the other eye. So we're going to try our best to match up with the first eye we made, but it's okay if it's not exactly like what we did on the other side. But we can try our best. But it's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, so we've got two eyes and a nose. Now let's do a mouth. So a little ways down past the nose, we got a little mouth here. And I'm going to work on the face shape now. Starting from the side of the eye, coming on down. Doing a little chin, coming on up on the other side, and like that. And now I'm going to keep on going up a little bit. So we've got a bit of forehead here, and I'm going to do a little line here for the hair, for where the hair starts. And he parts his hair like right here on the side. So I can start to curve down this way and do some strokes of hair. And we've got two ears, of course. So we can do a bit of hair on the side here, coming down by the ear. And right here, we can curve and do a little flick of hair, kind of coming down past the forehead a bit. And then a few more strokes of hair. And then we're coming out from this side of the hair part and bringing it over to the other side with the ear here. Okay, and now he's got some facial hair. So I'm going to start here with the chin. And under the nose. And then we're coming down to join up those parts. So I'm just kind of doing some little sketchy, scribbly little lines for this bit of facial hair. Nothing perfect. Okay. So now we can do a neck and the collar of his clothing. Folks, if at any point I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video, go back, and then you can always catch up with what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to continue to go down, and on this side too. And right here, we're going to put a shape kind of like a lemon. And now let's work on the cape. So here, kind of under the ear area, we can do a line like this, and then bring it down to here. And over on this side, we can do the same. And these two lines right here, we're going to turn them into a point, like that. So we're going to bring them out and do a shoulder, like that. And we'll do the same over on this side. And right here on the cape, we're going to do a little line like this, and then curve. And same on this side, do a little line, and then curve. Curve to that point. And I'm going to do a line coming from the cape to that little lemon shape. And same on the other side. All right, so now I'm going to do a line right here and one right here, and come across like this. And then we can do a kind of a thick line. This is going to be like his belt. And I'm not going to make it a full line right here yet. First, I'm going to do a circle and a circle on the inside. And I'm going to do a slanted line and another one. And two lines right here. And then coming down from that circle, we got a little bit of belt. And then it looks like it's got some like fringes kind of. So we're going to do another part of that too. It's going to be a little bit longer. Okay, and now I can do the bottom part of that line. And I'm going to put a few more lines going through here in all kinds of different directions. Some are slanted, some are straight. Okay, and now let's do some arms. So coming down here on the side. Got an arm. And I'm going to do a little sleeve right here, and we can do a hand. So for the hand, I'm going to do one finger and then a thumb, and then another finger, another one, and then we're going to connect to the sleeve there. And now up here on the sleeve, I'm going to do a curve, and I'm going to do a few lines, kind of slanting, kind of going all over the place here. And over here on the other side, we're going to try to do another arm around kind of around the same size, so it's not like one big arm on this side and one smaller arm on this side. We're going to try to make them the same shape, same size. And come on up. And then we can do those lines. And these lines don't have to match up with these ones. That's fine. So we're going to do a thumb. And come on down, do a finger. And another one. And another one, and connect it to the cuff of the sleeve. So I don't think I matched up the hands perfectly. I think this one looks like it's coming down a little bit further than this one does, but that's okay. That's totally fine. We're just having fun drawing. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now right here, I'm gonna do a line coming on down. And I'm gonna bring it up this way. And right here, and do a little line right here. And right here, we're gonna slant on downwards and come on up a bit and then slant upwards. So it would be coming like from right here. And now I'm gonna do a little line right here and work on a leg. And the leg, this would be the other side of like the pants. And bring down another leg here, another part of the pants here. And this part right here, this little line is going to be the inside of the fabric of this part. Okay, so now we can start at the shoulders and bring down that cape. And on the other side too. And then I'm going to put a little line right here because that's going to be part of the cape as well. I'm going to do a line coming down here and one here and then one here. And a thick line here, and it can connect here to the side. And bring up this line. I'm going to bring up this line and do the same on this side. All right, folks, so we are finished our drawing, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!